Can we do the animal sacrifice in other countries where it's needed? And if we do animal sacrifice, do we need to divide it into three parts, like one for the needy, one for your family,
So
one for
you see,
yourself?
basically, the best thing that you can do is that you are able to observe the animal sacrifices. I mean, the first best thing is that you do it yourself by your own hands. But that, of course, is not always possible because we are not used to these things. So the next best thing is that you are able to witness it at least in front of you. Because this is, you see, it's not just a case of a charity being given in the form of meat. It's basically a life being sacrificed, symbolizing your own life. So it is best if you're able to witness it. But if for some reasons that is not possible, then of course you can do it in your own city, in that slaughterhouse, or maybe in some other country as well. That's also possible. But as I said, the more you go far from that, the far you'll get the picture and the whole passion which is behind animal sacrifice. You tend to lose that. But if that is the only option, as is the case in many countries, then okay, so be it. But as I said, if you are able to understand that it is basically your life at stake, so it's like seeing that you are going to spend your life for the cause of God or give up your life for the cause of God. So it's best if you're able to witness it. But of course, if it is not possible, then yes. And as far as dividing the meat of the animal into three parts is concerned, this is not needed at all. I mean, it's just an arbitrary thing. You can consume the whole meat yourself. You can give it to the poor. You can give it to any charity. There's no such restriction. And
That's
precisely this also tells us that it's not meant for charity. So basically, I mean, this is the biggest misconception that invades us. And I think it is this takeaway lesson, if you're able to do this from this talk, that animal sacrifice is not meant for charity. For charity, we can give money, we can give clothes, we can give so many things. Animal sacrifice symbolizes our own life being given for the cause of God. It's like a rehearsal that we do, that God, anywhere in my life, any time in my life, if I am able to serve the cause of truth by maybe stopping some evil person from committing something bad, maybe like he's trying to rape someone, or he's trying to do something bad, or something comes up and you're able to stop that by giving up your life. So that is what you have to understand, that this is a symbolism, and that symbolism is just so strong that if you grasp it, you would like to do this, because it's just a once in a year thing.